Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Death Harbor talking. Today I played at Hard Target Airsoft, right? This video will just go over some of the clips. Unlike my other videos, this video will be a little bit longer compared to my YouTube shorts. Again, the whole reason why I haven't posted for a while is because I've been going through a lot of crap. And unfortunately, that's affected me quite negatively. But I guess you could say I've been feeling a lot better. Guys down here very helpful, great guys, good friends. Overall, it was a great day. Beautiful weather as well, very young and unique for Welsh airsoft sites. Without further ado, guys, please like the video, like, subscribe, and put your notifications on. Thank you. First game of the day was all maps in play. As you can see here, we are trying to push up into the CQB. We don't get very far since there is a guy positioning himself behind a set of logs, so we're just stuck here fighting while we can. I did try to push up, I cut the bit out just because it was push up dead instantly.
Oh, my guys could get fucked up.
Leon, it's just over back.
Like I said, fucked up. Oh shit. I see him. If we all push CQB,
Yeah, but which way? That way or that way?
down there, I say it's easier for us because if we get down there, we take CQB, we can push up Sniper Tower because we can push up there that far. We're at a disadvantage, we're open, they have more cover than us. So that way we have our cover, we have a higher ground.
Plenty of woodlands where easier to hide. Where their cover's better, it's easier to spot them.
I'm gonna push CQB as always. Pushing CQB?
Huh?
CQB?
Yeah, obviously.
Wherever the gun points, we go.
Which way are we pushing?
CQB. How much did your mask cost?
I paid 120 for this one.
I paid like 35 first, I just took the battery to the back. That's it. I can't afford shit like that.
So Monday was the difference there. 170 SLC Barbiaga.
I like the iron sights. How many grenades ran off last game? Like 7 or 8 grenades ran off last game.
I don't know the map. Andrew, do you really run it on?
You have to go with them. Actually,
What?
come with them. Stand by!
I'm pushing CQB ball. Keep going. Keep on the right.
Well guys, that is the end of the video. I know that there wasn't much action-based content in there. That is due to me just not playing for weeks. Hopefully next time I play, hopefully there'll be a lot more action in it. It'll be faster, it'll be lots more hits and all of that. If you guys want unfiltered videos, just pure content of me playing airsoft, I'm more than happy to do that. But I need you guys to comment that down in the description. Also, shout out to welshmacmillian for watching my videos. He has a pretty cool channel, even though there's only one video, but it's cool. Plus, the site is Hard Target Airsoft. If you are looking to go for yourself, it's a great site. You get free food. It's amazing. It's epic. I'm also looking to start a second channel dedicated towards gaming and more just the filtered gaming and all that for Xbox, Steam, all that. If you guys want that, please comment that down in the description. I'm still trying to get 50 subscribers. If you can you please try and subscribe to me? Even if it's not that hard, man. Come on, press the subscribe button. Not that hard.